For today and tomorrow, we will be working on this review. Okay, we won't be learning anything new. We will just be looking over what we did and making sure we understand it. I'm gonna help out by just going over some of the questions in case they are tricky. Tomorrow, I will have a Google Meets allowing anyone to come in and ask questions, and we can go over some of the problems you're having with the review. Now remember, because it's a review, it means it covers everything we just learned. So the entire packet, there's a lot of notes, there's a lot of pointers that I want you to look at and make sure you understand. If you are getting confused, continue watching my videos for the lessons, and you will see on the YouTube channel or on the assignment videos to help you out. Okay, so let's get to it. Write the letter for the correct term beside each definition. The point at which two lines intersect. Okay, what does that mean? What are two lines that intersect? I want you to go through these definitions and write the correct letter. Okay, if you don't remember these, just look back. You have the notes, it's all on the top of the pages. Okay, next, write the letter for the correct term beside each diagram. So here's some pictures, and you're going to be writing the correct representation. Alright, and again, if you don't remember what they mean, or if you're not sure what they look like, please check your notes. Intersecting lines, a regular line, line segment, parallel lines, coplanar points, and collinear points. You should only use each letter once. This is the second page of the review. Use a diagram to the right to answer each question. You have one of these. We have to name lines, line segments, rays, and points of intersection. Okay, so again, if you don't remember what the words means, go back, double check, figure out what they mean, and then look for them here. Use the diagram and information below to find the length of each segment. This one is, again, a little tricky. I know some people had trouble with this one. So remember, I want you to figure out what numbers go in these yellow dots first before answering any of this. And to solve that, you have little hints. It's almost like a riddle. T is the midpoint of RV. So T is the middle of RV. Okay? So I'm going to cut this in half. That means this part matches this part. Does that help us right now? No, there's too many missing parts. So you go to the next one. S is the midpoint of RT. So I have S here. So it's in the middle of R and T. So if this is 9, what is this? Remember, it cuts in half. It's 2 equal parts. That's my help for this one. Use the diagram to the right to answer each question. Name the parallel lines. Name 2 points of intersection. Name the line that intersects AB and DE. Name all sets of collinear points. Okay? So you have this diagram. It shows 2 parallel lines right here. Remember, this little arrow indicates they are parallel. You have a bunch of points and a line that's crossing the parallel lines. Okay? Number 15 and 16 answer the question about each diagram. Are these points coplanar? Are they on the same plane? And are these on the same plane? Okay? So I know I didn't explain too much because I want you to try for today on your own. Alright? If you need help, leave them blank. Tomorrow we'll have a Google Meets to figure everything out. That's basically all there is today, and partially for tomorrow.